Here we have the key right there. We'll use a screwdriver looking something like this. Notice this remote has a cover right there. We'll need to punch in the screwdriver from both the edges in order to take this cover out. There's that cover taken out, and there we have the battery visible. It is a CR2025 battery. There's a tiny space right there. We'll punch in the screwdriver to take the battery out. Be careful in this part because the battery does come out aggressively. Old battery taken out. There we have the new battery in the packaging. And it is the same CR2025 battery. Make sure the plus sign is on the top while installing the new battery in the remote. So we need to punch in the battery first and then slide it inwards. There's that battery installed. Now we will install the cover. Slide in the cover first and then push the cover from the key side. With that, we are done with our replacement process. This video helps you in any way. Please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel.